Hi everyone, so I'm doing repotting of my tulsi plants today. So I'm sharing how I'm doing it. So this is totally my experience and how I do it. I'm sharing like my opinion. This is totally my way of doing it. So I'm just talking about myself, how I do it. Right now I'm preparing a soil mixture. So I am adding a little bit of sand, and the sand I'm adding is in the first and the second layer of the pot, and I'm just mixing it well. Later on I'll be filling the pot with the soil only, so only on the first and the second layer I use the sand, and later on I just fill the pot just with the soil only. So with the soil and the sand mixture, it just provides a good drainage system to the plant, so that's why I just add some sand. And the soil I'm using is an organic mix. It's an organic soil which you can use for vegetables, for growing tomatoes and peas and etc. And you can see now I filled the pot just with the soil only, and here the pot is smaller, so I'm only filling the soil, not the sand. Now I have like 5 plants in the smaller part. It's a smaller plant, like it's a smaller pot, and I have like 5 of the plants growing in it. So I'm doing the repotting of the 5 plants. So I have already prepared 5 pots in advance. The mixture, the soil, I have already prepared them. So while I'm taking the plant out, you can see I'm not pulling the plant, I'm not doing anything bad to the plant, I'm just trying to push the plant out. And I'll be just repotting it in an original form, how it was there in the soil. I'm not gonna pull the plant out. This might damage the plant. So you can see now I got all the 5 plants, and slowly I'll be separating the plants for repotting them. And you can see I'm not breaking any roots, there is no damage to the plant. The plant is doing really fine, the leaves are not drying out, the plant looks really good. And this is how I'm just doing it slowly in a nicer way, so the plant doesn't break. And you can see I got all the roots, and I've separated the plants in a very fine way, in a nicer way. And now we're gonna repot the plants. You can see I have already prepared the 5 pots for replanting them, and you can see the roots, they look really good. There is no breakage, there is no damage. And I am poking a hole, I'm just making a hole in the soil, and you can see how nicely it's going to get planted. And this is how I'm doing it. So I thought that I'll share that how I do the repotting of the tulsi plants without breaking the roots, without damaging the plant. You can see this is the way I do it. And in this way it won't damage the plant, and the plant stays nice. One more thing is that whenever you want to repot your plants, it's best to prepare your pots in advance. You have the mixture ready, you should have the soil ready, so that when you take the plant out, the plant can go right away into a different pot, and it won't dry the leaf out, and the plant will also be happy because they get the repotting right away. And this is my second pot. So as I've told you that I have already prepared like 5 pots in advance, because I've counted the plants before taking them out. There were 5 of them, and you can see the roots, they have not broken, they are not damaged. And this is how I'm doing it, and it's very easy to do it. You just make a little hole and in the middle of the soil, in the middle of the pot, and you just plant them nice in a nicer way. And this is how I'm doing it. So I am having more tulsi plants at home, and I have to repot them as well. So I'm going to show you how I am doing the repotting of them as well. So I don't have so many big pots at home, and I'm only having the smaller and the, like little bigger of them, but not the big ones. So I'm going to repot them in different pots. So right now, the smaller plants which I'm having, I have to separate them and repot them in different pots so that they can get more sunlight, they can get more space. So that's why I'm doing this. And now you can see this pot is having at least 6 to 7 plants, and I'm going to separate them. So I'm not pulling any roots out, I'm just trying my level best that without any root damage I am trying to take the plant out. And once the plants are out, I'll be, politely, in a nicer way, I'll be separating the roots. And you can see the plants is having good roots, the plant is growing fine, and this is how I'm separating the roots in a nicer way. And my pots are ready to replant them, even though I don't have the bigger pots. And I'll be repotting them just by adding some soil. If the pot is bigger, I'll be adding sand in the first and the second layer, but if the pot is smaller, I'll be just adding soil. And one thing I learned in planting process is that the more you take care of your plant, the plant will grow much nicer. And you have to always check on your plant. If it is raining really bad, or if it is a heavy rain shower, just bring the plant inside or put the plant in the shade. Or if it is like way too much sunlight, just try to give plants some shade. And watering them daily is good when they are outside, so I just water them daily. And I offer them prayers. I like my tulsi plants so much, I like planting them, and I offer them prayers. And I do not touch my plant after evening, like after 5 or 6 p.m. I do not touch the plant. So whatever planting I want to do, I just try to do it in the morning, or like till the noon, but not in the evening. And one thing, like I can say that, when you see your plant growing, that's the real joy of planting, the real joy of gardening. When you sow a seed and when you see how the seedlings are turning into plants and how they are growing, that's the real beauty of the gardening, the real joy of gardening. And this just gives you a peace of mind when you see your plant growing really nice, really beautiful, in a very healthy way. And pretty much, I mean, like the plants are like babies, so taking care of them is very important. And just try to give them what they want, the right soil, the right amount of sunlight. And I usually spray the water in a mist form. I do not pour the water in the plants. I just try to spray mist. It just keeps the leaves of the plant clean as well. So I'll just spray in a mist form to the plants, and I just offer prayers to the plant. And I just love doing planting and growing my tulsi plants at home. So this is what I wanted to share, that how I'm doing it. And here I am having a bigger pot, so I'm making the same sand mixture and pouring the sand mixture in the bigger pot, and I'll be filling it up with the soil then. And the same way, I'm just making a hole and planting my tulsi, and I'll be filling it up with the soil. And this is how I just do it, and I like doing it. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching.